momos making machine, very useful concept. And this is semi-automated machine. If you wanted this product, you can see this complete how is the making process. And if you wanted to see different unique products, like this video and also subscribe this channel, you'll get different variety of machines. You can see how it is. And if you wanted this product, you can contact in India Mart Momos machines. So different unique type of, it's very useful. Okay. And it is, please like and subscribe this channel and also share the video, friends. Thank you, and watch complete video.